Welcome to a new era of automotive production, where advanced AGVs move smoothly across the factory floor. They transport car bodies with remarkable precision and efficiency. Intelligent AGV systems carefully align each chassis into position, ensuring a stable and accurate foundation. Every movement is calculated to maintain the highest level of quality. Inside the facility, multiple systems operate together in harmony as car bodies move steadily along the production line with consistent flow. Each vehicle is positioned with extreme care, as alignment is checked continuously to prepare it for the next stage of assembly. The upper frame descends slowly and meets the body with perfect synchronization, while overhead systems deliver components exactly when and where they are needed. The car body is securely mounted onto its jig, allowing structural components to connect with high precision and stability. The assembly line moves forward continuously, combining automated systems with skilled human work to ensure a smooth and efficient process. The vehicle gradually takes shape as advanced transport systems position each body accurately, opening doors for interior assembly. Operators closely monitor every step of the process, using real-time data to ensure accuracy and maintain strict quality standards. Each connection and joint is completed with remarkable precision, reflecting the careful engineering behind every detail of the vehicle. Interior components are installed step by step, transforming the empty body into a functional and comfortable cabin environment. Robotic arms select and prepare parts with consistency, ensuring both speed and accuracy throughout the production process. Major components such as engines or battery systems are integrated into the chassis, combining raw power with refined engineering design. Large modules are placed carefully using robotic systems, handling complex assembly tasks with controlled and precise movements. At this stage, the interior appears complete, with every component fitted accurately into its designated position. The chassis moves forward smoothly, carrying all integrated systems toward the next production phase. Technicians connect electrical systems and install key components, combining manual skill with advanced technological support. Digital guidance systems provide clear instructions, helping ensure that each step is performed correctly and efficiently. The fully equipped chassis is joined with the vehicle body, locking together precisely to form a unified structure. The dashboard module arrives at the station, fully prepared for accurate and efficient installation. A technician carefully guides the dashboard into position, ensuring proper alignment and secure placement within the cabin. From the driver's perspective, the dashboard slides smoothly into place, transforming the interior into a complete cockpit. The precise fit highlights the quality of design, where each component integrates seamlessly into the structure. Electrical wiring is connected with care, allowing all vehicle systems to communicate effectively. Final wiring connections are completed, activating the vehicle's electronic systems and features. The windshield is installed carefully, ensuring both clear visibility and structural strength. The central infotainment display is fitted into place, bringing digital functionality into the vehicle. Center console components are installed with precision, enhancing both comfort and usability inside the cabin. Final interior adjustments are completed, ensuring that every detail meets high-quality standards. The front grille and bumper are installed, giving the vehicle its final exterior identity and aerodynamic form. Essential fluids are filled with accuracy, preparing the vehicle systems for operation. Advanced filling systems indicate readiness, ensuring that measurements are precise and controlled. Fluid lines are connected smoothly, initiating the final filling processes within the vehicle. With the hood open, the vehicle receives essential fluids that ensure long-term performance and durability. The emblem is carefully placed on the hood, symbolizing the identity, quality, and heritage of the brand. A final inspection is carried out under strong lighting, checking every surface for perfection. The vehicle is cleaned and inspected in detail, ensuring that every element meets the highest standards before delivery. Final polishing completes the process, leaving the vehicle ready for the road and its future journey.